Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to connect your PlayStation 4 to your monitor and play effectively. So let's go ahead and jump in the video right now. So this is actually really easy to do, and this will help reduce the input lag you have with your PlayStation 4 when you're playing video games. The time it takes to go ahead and send a signal from your controller and get a response on your monitor. Now some of these can actually be in the hundreds of milliseconds with some of the smart TVs. Now with a monitor, you can get it down to like 1 millisecond, which is very quick. And you won't be able to detect that whatsoever. So how would you go ahead and connect your monitor to your PlayStation 4? Well, this can be as simple as an HDMI cable, just like this. So if we go ahead and plug the HDMI cable into the back of our PlayStation and then into the back of the monitor, we should be able to use it. Now the problem arises when you go ahead and try to use the audio. Now this monitor does not have any speakers, so how do we go ahead and be able to get audio? Now you do have the option to use a headset, but then you have to be using a headset all the time just to get the audio. So I'll show you how to hook up computer speakers as well. So first, let's go ahead and plug this HDMI cable into the back of my PS4 and monitor. Alright, so here is my PlayStation 4, and here is the HDMI slot. Let's go ahead and just plug this in real quick. And here is the back of my monitor. Now I already have a couple different things plugged in, like my capture card and then my computer. So I have two HDMI slots right here that I can go ahead and easily plug this into. So let's go ahead and do that now. So just like that, it's plugged in. Now to the left of it right here is an option where I can go ahead and just plug in an auxiliary cable. So for my speakers. So like I have this auxiliary cable that I have with my PC speakers, or even like your sound bar or something like that. And you can simply just plug it in that slot that's available. So like right here, I can plug it in. Boom, so that's hooked up. Now let's turn my monitor around and play some PS4. Okay, so now I have to go ahead and change the output and input. So let's go to HDMI 1, I believe it is. And boom, now my PlayStation 4 is showing up. Then I have volume control for my speakers right here where I can go ahead and increase it up and down so I can hear the audio. So let's start up a game so I can hear some audio. Alright, so I have Call of Duty loaded up and I got the audio for it and I'm playing it on my monitor just like that. So it's very easy to do. If this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.